Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to block a number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app. Now from here you can see a unknown number. If you want to block this number, just tap here and then tap on this icon. Now here at the bottom you can see block option, then just tap on block, then tap on block again, and it's done. Now the number has been blocked successfully. Here you can see a icon which means the number is blocked now. Also, if you want to block a contact, just go back and then tap on contacts and then choose any contact that you want to block. If I select this and then tap on this icon again, then tap on more, then tap on block contact, then tap on block again, and it's done. Now the contact has been blocked successfully. Here you can see block icon. Now if you want to unblock this number or contact, just open up your phone app again and then tap on three dots, then tap on settings. From here go to block numbers. Now from here you can find your all the block number or contacts. If you want to unblock any number or contact, just tap on this minus icon, and that's it. You have successfully unblocked this contact. And that is how you can block number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.